In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move ClickUp space to another workspace. If you're reorganizing, collaborating across teams, or setting up a fresh workflow, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to package a ClickUp space and use it in another workspace. By the end, you'll know how to save your space as a template, share it securely, and spin it up wherever you need it. Start in the ClickUp workspace that currently holds the space you want to move. Remember, a space is a major container. Think department, client hub, or a big project folder. So it's worth double-checking you're in the right place. In the sidebar, select the space you want to transfer. At the top or on the right, look for the three dots icon to open the More Options menu. Click it, hover over Templates, and choose Save as Template. ClickUp will gather everything it needs: lists, tasks, subtasks, views, and configurations. If your space is large, expect a short wait. That's normal and ensures all details make it across. When prompted, give your template a clear, descriptive name so you and your team instantly know what it contains. Next, turn on public sharing. This step is crucial. Without it, the template stays locked to your current workspace. Enabling public sharing creates a link that you can share and then use to recreate the space elsewhere. Click Save Template. You'll get a confirmation that the template is ready. From there, open it in the Template Center. If you don't see the prompt, you can always find it later in your templates. Feel free to add a short description to outline what's included and how it should be used. This saves time and prevents confusion for collaborators. Now, click Share. You can copy the public link and send it anywhere you can paste a URL. If you prefer tighter control, choose who can access it by selecting the appropriate member group, such as administrators only. To move the space to another workspace, open that shared link while signed into the destination workspace or account. Then click Use Template. Confirm the settings and click Use Template again. ClickUp will recreate the space with its structure intact, so you can hit the ground running without manual copying or risky imports. And that's it. Your space is now ready in the new workspace. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Drop your questions or ideas for future ClickUp walkthroughs in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ciao.